pancreatitis is a sudden evolving gastrointestinal disease. The main etiologic factors include alcohol and gallstone disease. The pathogen is not fully known. Calcium inflow causes NF-kappa B, cytokine, and protease activation. The most of the cases are mild, but in 20% occurs severe necrotizing acute pancreatitis with mortality up to 50%. However, specific therapy is unknown yet. The leading symptom in acute pancreatitis is the pain. It is mediated by primary sensory neurons. These primary sensory neurons express TRPV1. It is a non-selective cation channel nociceptor. Excitation of this receptor causes tachykinin release. It can induce neurologic inflammation. Repeated administration of high doses of RTX can distance these primary sensory neurons for a long time, thereby reduces pain. According to clinical evidences, pain relief has a beneficial effect in neurological inflammation. We wanted to know if it's a true statement in acute pancreatitis. Therefore, we aim to investigate the effect of primary sensory neurons desensitization in acute pancreatitis. Our method. We use SPRD rats in our experiment. For desensitization, we use rising dose of RTX for 3 days. The control animals always get physiological saline. After 1 month, we test the desensitization with capsaicin dripping into the rice. And after it, we induce necrotizing acute pancreatitis with L-ornithine intraperitoneal administration and edematous acute pancreatitis with sertraline. The next day, we sacrificed the animals and samples taken from them. And we measure laboratory parameters like serum amylase activity, pancreas-derivative ratio, myeloperoxidase activity, and histological parameters like necrosis, edema, inflammatory stereo infiltration, and vacuolization. We use 4 groups, but it doesn't look at by the mistake. The first group is the absolute control group. It got only physiological saline instead both of L-ornithine and RTX. The second group got an RTX treatment, but we didn't induce acute pancreatitis in this group. And the third group, the pancreatitis group, we didn't desense the neurons, but the animals got L-ornithine to induce acute pancreatitis. And the last one group is the RTX pretreatment, L-ornithine group. We can see that RTX pretreatment causes a significant elevation of serum amylase activity and pancreatic water content on the L-ornithine-induced acute pancreatitis, but there were no significant difference in myeloperoxidase activity. The following histological samples, we can see the previously described groups. The absolute control groups and the RTX group did not differ significantly from each other. Both are healthy tissue. The L-ornithine group has a severe necrotizing acute pancreatitis with edema and low-gasta infiltration. For RTX pretreatment, the L-ornithine-induced acute pancreatitis increased the severity, a more severe edema, and necrosis and low-gasta infiltration we can see. Quantification of this data, we can see that edema and in edema level, there were no significant difference according to RTX pretreatment, but in necrosis and low-gasta infiltration, RTX pretreatment have a significant elevation. from the respective control groups. We induced edematous acute pancreatitis with sertraline intraperitoneal administration. The groups are similar to the previous experiment. The absolute control and the RTX-pretreated group did not differ significantly yet, but any of the measured parameters like amylase activity, pancreatic water content, and myeloperoxidase activity, there were no significant difference between the RTX-pretreated and the L-ornithine, the sertraline group. The following histological samples, we can see the previously described groups too. The RTX group and the absolute control group did not differ significantly yet. The sertraline-induced acute pancreatitis, we can see a severe edema and vacuolization. RTX pretreatment significantly decreased the level of edema, but did not influence the vacuolization significantly. Quantification of these data. We can see that edema and leukocyte infiltration significantly reduced in the RTX pretreatment sertraline-induced acute pancreatitis group, but the vacuolization did not differ significantly from the control groups. For summary, we can say L-ornithine administration caused necrotizing, while sertraline-induced edematous acute pancreatitis measured laboratory parameters are significantly elevated in the acute pancreatitis group versus the respective control groups. And RTX pretreatment and L-ornithine administration cause a more severe acute pancreatitis. In case of sertraline administration, RTX pretreatment reduced the severity of experimental acute pancreatitis versus the respective control groups. Our conclusions: desensitization of primary sensory neurons has a different effect of the severity of acute pancreatitis, increase in necrotizing acute pancreatitis, and decrease in edematous acute pancreatitis. And thank you for your attention.